ChatGPT really needs to stop making up legal stuff. It's getting ridiculous, so consider this a heads up for anyone trying to use it for law things.
So sometimes we play around with it for our video topics to see what it'll say. We recently made a video about concealing your license plate using some kind of spray to avoid red light cameras. And we wanted to see what Chat would say about the legal consequences of a company selling this kind of product. And lo and behold, Chat gave us some real world precedent about the FTC going after a company that apparently sold an identical product.
Awesome! Only it wasn't awesome at all, because after some quick research, it became clear that this case doesn't exist, which Chat eventually admitted.
But we gave it another try and we told it to stop making stuff up. And this time it gave us this, quote, real example of a state attorney general issuing an injunction against a similar company. Only that was completely made up too.
Okay, so maybe Chat just sucks with this particular area of research. So we asked it a question about ICE enforcement, specifically if ICE can arrest someone on their own front lawn without a warrant. And it gave us this case, which seemed particularly on point. Only we couldn't find the actual case.
So we asked it to confirm that it was actually real, and it doubled down and assured us that it was. But we still couldn't find it. So we asked Chat to find it itself, and it said, "No problem, good sir. Here are even some links for the case for you to use and see for yourself." Only one link didn't work at all, and the other sent us to a completely unrelated case.
So overall, we found that Chat is pretty good at some basic legal tasks, like spitting out a template NDA, or reviewing your rental agreement contract and spotting issues for you. But for now, at least, it still hallucinates way too much when it comes to any kind of nuanced legal research.
It's pretty clear that what it's trying to do is people please, even if that means giving you fake cases to answer your question in the way that you want it to be answered. But it doesn't realize that this people pleasing can quickly go awry when you're sanctioned by the court because everything it's saying is fake.